Editing video on the wrong laptop is pure frustration. Slow rendering, crashes, and endless waiting. Don't risk your projects. We found the best laptops for video editing that deliver speed, power, and stunning visuals. All the top picks are linked in the description box below. Let's start our best laptop for video editing roundup with the Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch M4, which is a testament to Apple's dedication to performance and user experience. The 2025 model is powered by Apple's latest M4 chip, delivering impressive processing power that ensures even the most demanding video editing tasks feel fluid and responsive. With its 13.6-inch liquid retina display, you'll experience exceptional color accuracy, deep blacks, and brilliant highlights, making color grading and fine-tuning your footage a joy. The display supports a wide P3 color gamut, ensuring your edits look true to life, whether you're working on HDR or SDR content. You'll also appreciate the incredible efficiency of the unified memory architecture, which allows for lightning-fast access to large video files and smooth multitasking across editing software, browser tabs, and background processes. The MacBook's advanced 16-core neural engine accelerates AI-based editing features, from automated scene detection to intelligent cropping, which can save you hours in post-production. Battery life is another area where this MacBook excels, offering all-day endurance so you can edit on location or on the go without worrying about finding a power outlet. It's honestly a really good laptop for video editing. Apple's focus on privacy and security is evident in this model, with hardware-level encryption and robust protections for your creative work. The macOS ecosystem is optimized for professional video editing applications like Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve, ensuring smooth operation and quick rendering times. The lightweight yet sturdy build means you can easily slip this laptop into your bag, making it an ideal companion for travel, studio, or remote work. When you use this MacBook Air, you'll notice how every detail, from the tactile keyboard to the responsive trackpad, is crafted to enhance your editing experience. Moving on to the next product in my best video editing laptop reviews roundup, we have the Dell Inspiron 16 Plus 7640, which is a laptop that brings together performance and versatility in a sleek package. The Inspiron 16 Plus features a high-resolution 2.5K display that provides sharp visuals and vibrant colors, which is essential when you're working with detailed video footage. The display's generous screen real estate allows you to comfortably manage multiple timelines, preview windows, and editing tools without feeling cramped. If you're looking for the best notebook for video editing, you'll appreciate that this laptop is powered by a capable Intel Core i7-13620H processor, delivering the speed and responsiveness needed for real-time editing, smooth scrubbing through 4K footage, and fast export times. With either 16 GB or 32 GB of RAM, depending on the model you pick, and fast 1 TB SSD storage, you'll experience quick boot times and the ability to handle large video projects without lag. The Inspiron 16 Plus is designed for multitasking, so you can seamlessly switch between editing software, asset libraries, and communication tools. The laptop's cooling system is engineered to keep temperatures in check, even during long rendering sessions, ensuring consistent performance and comfort. You'll also benefit from a wide range of connectivity options, including Thunderbolt and USB-C ports, making it easy to hook up external drives, monitors, and other peripherals essential for a professional editing setup. One of the standout features of the Inspiron 16 Plus is its robust build quality, which strikes a balance between durability and portability. The keyboard and trackpad are responsive and comfortable, allowing you to work for extended periods without fatigue. The laptop also offers impressive battery life, so you can edit on the go without constantly searching for a charger. Next up on my list of the best laptops for video editing, we have the highly rated Razer Blade 18, which stands out as a powerhouse for creators who demand uncompromising performance. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel Core i91490HX processor, which is built on desktop-grade silicon to deliver exceptional speed and multitasking abilities. Paired with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 40 series graphics, you'll find that video editing, rendering, and even real-time effects processing are handled with ease. The 18-inch UHD plus 4K 200Hz display is a true highlight, offering ultra-sharp visuals, 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, and Kalman verification for lifelike color reproduction, critical for color grading and ensuring your projects look their best on any screen. As one of the best laptops for video editing performance, the Razer Blade 18 is designed to keep performance high and temperatures low, thanks to its advanced cooling system featuring the largest vapor chamber Razer has ever created and a finely tuned 3-fan setup. This means you can push your laptop to the limits with intensive editing sessions or complex renders without worrying about thermal throttling. Thunderbolt 5 support opens up a world of connectivity, allowing you to easily integrate high-speed storage, multiple high-resolution monitors, and professional audio or video equipment into your workflow. With its premium build quality and sleek aesthetics, the Blade 18 feels as good as it performs. The keyboard is comfortable for long editing sessions, and the expansive touchpad provides precise control for navigating timelines and making fine adjustments. You'll also enjoy the benefits of Razer Synapse, which allows you to customize performance profiles, lighting, and even access overclocking options for those times when you need an extra boost. Using the Razer Blade 18, you'll have the confidence that your hardware can keep up with your creative ambitions, whether you're working in the studio or on location. Checking in at number 2 on my best video editing laptop list is the ASUS ProArt P16 Creator Laptop, which is engineered with content creators in mind, offering a blend of power, display quality, and thoughtful features. At its core, the laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 processor, which provides impressive multi-core performance for video editing, rendering, and multitasking. The inclusion of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics ensures smooth playback and fast rendering, as well as support for advanced effects and AI-powered features in modern editing software. Although there are many good laptops to edit videos on, the ProArt P16 really stands out from the crowd. The 16-inch AMOLED 4K touchscreen display is a standout feature, delivering deep blacks, vibrant colors, and incredible clarity. This display is perfect for precise color work, detailed timeline management, and immersive media consumption. The touchscreen capability adds a layer of intuitive control, letting you interact directly with your editing software for tasks like scrubbing through footage or making quick adjustments. With 32 gigabytes of onboard RAM and a massive 2 terabyte PCIe NVMe SSD, you'll have the speed and storage capacity to handle large projects, multiple layers of video, and vast media libraries without compromise. As one of the best laptops for editing videos, connectivity is another area where the ProArt P16 shines, offering HDMI, Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 Type-C, and an SD card reader, making it easy to import footage, connect external displays, and expand your workspace. The laptop's robust build quality and professional design will appeal to creators who need a reliable tool for both studio and field work. The ProArt P16 also includes an authorized DockStorm portable USB hub, which further expands your connectivity options and streamlines your workflow. When you use the ProArt P16, you'll notice how each component is optimized for creative work, from the high-speed RAM and storage to the precise display and versatile ports. The laptop's cooling system ensures stable performance during extended editing sessions, and the keyboard and trackpad are designed for comfort and accuracy. Whether you're editing 4K footage, working with complex effects, or managing large projects, the ProArt P16 is built to help you bring your creative vision to life. So, what is the best laptop for video editing? While there are many worthy contenders, I'd have to say that the Apple 2024 MacBook Pro with M4 Pro chip is the best video editing laptop on the market right now, because it represents the pinnacle of Apple's laptop engineering for video editing professionals. This model features a 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, offering a stunning resolution, 1:1,000,000 contrast ratio, and XDR brightness up to 1,600 nits for HDR content. The display's wide color, P3, and ProMotion technology, with adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz, ensure that your video projects look vibrant, smooth, and true to life. As the best laptop computer for video editing, the M4 Pro chip on this MacBook Pro, with its 14-core CPU and 20-core GPU, delivers exceptional performance for video editing, real-time playback, and rendering, supported by a 16-core neural engine for AI-driven features. With 24 gigabytes of unified memory and a lightning-fast 512 gigabyte SSD, you can expect seamless multitasking and rapid file access, even with large 4K or 8K video projects. The MacBook Pro's battery life is equally impressive, providing up to 24 hours of video streaming or 17 hours of wireless web use, so you can edit all day without interruption. The robust build quality and space black finish give the laptop a premium feel, while the advanced cooling system ensures sustained performance during intensive workloads. Apple Intelligence, integrated into this model, offers intelligent tools to help you write, organize, and manage your projects efficiently, all while maintaining industry-leading privacy protections. The MacBook Pro is fully optimized for professional editing applications, delivering smooth performance, fast exports, and reliable stability. When you use this laptop, you'll experience the synergy of hardware and software that Apple is known for, with every detail, from the spacious keyboard to the immersive display, designed to elevate your creative workflow and make video editing an enjoyable, productive experience. That's a wrap on our list of the best laptops for video editing. From powerful processors to stunning displays, these laptops are built to handle all your creative projects. As always, you'll find links to the latest prices for each laptop in the description box below, so you can pick the perfect editing companion for your workflow.